East Wing.
Yes.
Happy Valentine's Day from the East Wind Band.
Yes.
To my lady, to their lady, to everybody's lady, we're gonna have an awesome night tonight, and we just like for y'all to have a good time. We thank y'all for coming out,
Yes.
sharing this good time with the East Wind Band. So when y'all here, what y'all like, y'all know where y'all need to be the next time. So happy Valentine's Day to everybody.
Happy Valentine's.
Please continue to come out and support the East Wind Band.
Man, the East Wind Band.